I'm Connie Williford. I have been a judge for about 9 months, I guess. I was sworn in October the 29th of 2020 by Judge Kemp and started immediately on that day. Governor Kemp, and started immediately on that day. One of the first things that I found out after being sworn in is that Judge Colvin, who was my predecessor, had started an accountability program. And when I say had started, she had sought to get the funding, and that perhaps there were other judges involved, I'm not sure, but for Peach County and Crawford County to have an accountability program. They had gotten the funding and they had started the process, and then before they could actually get an accountability court program up and running for Peach and Crawford, COVID hit and everything got put on pause, and then Judge Colvin went up to the Court of Appeals, and with the help of our director, Jennifer Orenstein, we were able to pick up the ball where it was left on pause and get that implemented, put together a team, and hire a director for that program. And it's called PCAC, which is Peach-Crawford Accountability Program. Like all counties in the state, I don't think anybody is immune from this. We have a lot of folks with drug issues, with mental health issues. We have some veterans, but it's a big need, and certainly the county will benefit from. Clearly, we don't want folks who have mental health issues locked up in the jail. We want them to be getting the treatment that they need. Well, I'm also over an accountability court program here in Bibb County, which is Parental Accountability Court program, which is PAC. And that Parental Accountability Court is for non-custodial parents who, for whatever reason, have barriers that have caused them not to be able to regularly pay their child support obligation. And so that's another position that I took on shortly after taking the bench and being sworn in. And you can just see how the resources, be it substance abuse treatment, be it helping educate, or getting fines and fees paid so they can get their driver's license back, or whatever the barriers are that have kept them from being productive, employed, educated citizens that can pay their child support. You can just see how beneficial that is in that program. And I hope to apply that same concept in PCAC down in Peach and Crawford. It feels like you have the ability as a judge to be more helpful, to really look at what the core problem is. Why can't these folks pay their child support? Or why can't they kick this drug habit? Or why are they out stealing their grandmama's jewelry? Or whatever it is, you know. And it feels like you have the resources and the team there through Middle Flint Behavioral there in Peach County. You have mental health folks that can help. We have law enforcement on the team. We have folks obviously from the Public Defender's Office, from the District Attorney's Office, and other resources that we're reaching out to in the community. So it really feels like you have the ability to bring all these people together with all of these resources and knowledge and help them tackle their problem, their barrier, their substance abuse, their mental health, whatever it is. All of those things are such a positive thing that you'd really feel good about trying to be a resource and a solution to these problems. I mean, I can't say enough how excited I am about trying to get this up and running and making it a very successful accountability court program. I don't like to do anything halfway. I want to have the best accountability court program in the state. So I'm very excited about the opportunity.